Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Cade, and we're from Neonet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate the valuable information on how to set up Find My Device and how to access it when you have lost your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 2 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
Find My Device is one application that we recommend you allow location tracking.
This application allows you to track your device if they're lost, as well as completely wipe the memory from the device in the event that it's stolen.
These apps and features are available on both Apple and Android devices. Let's start with Apple. If you lose your Apple device, you can locate, lock, or erase your device with Find My Device. Find My Device is a default application for Apple devices associated and can be turned on through your iCloud settings menu. Tap on the Settings app and select your iCloud account. If you're on iOS 10.2 or earlier, go to Settings and select iCloud. Scroll to the bottom and select Find My iPhone. Turn on Find My iPhone and send last location. Find the approximate location of your Apple device using Find My iPhone on iCloud.com. You can locate your device if Find My iPhone is set up or the device is awake and in range of a Wi-Fi network. If you have family sharing set up, you can also find a family member's device. Click on All Devices. In the list, the dot next to the device indicates its status. Select the device you would like to locate. A green dot means that the device is online. A gray dot means that it's turned off or not connected to a network. For more features on the Find My iPhone app, refer to Module 3 on our website.
Now, on to Android. If you lose your Android device, you can locate, lock, or erase it with Find My Device. Find My Device is turned on by default for Android devices associated with a Google account. You can enable the Find My Device by heading to Settings and selecting Google, then scrolling down to Security and tapping Find My Device. When Find My Device connects with the device, you see the device's location and the device gets a notification. Open android.com/find and sign into your Google account. If using another phone or tablet, open the Find My Device app and sign in. Click the lost device at the top of the screen. Pick what you want to do: play sound, lock, or erase. If your device can't be found, Find My Device will show its last known location. For more information, see Module 3 on our website.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about how to set up Find My Device and how to access it when you have lost your Apple or Android device. For more information, see Module 2 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
We'd like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.